Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, we are going to make some grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, so ano yung mga laman ng grilled cheese natin? Well, meron tayo iba't ibang klase ng cheese, butter, and bread.
To the outside of the bread.
So, right now, binabutter natin yung outside ng bread. Meaning, isang parte ng bread.
Yeah.
Yung... So, nalagay na natin yung buttered part doon sa baba. Now, we're putting in the cheese.
This is mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese.
Cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Now, may apoy na siya sa ilalim. There, you can see na brown na siya. Here we have it, everybody. Mga kalutong bahay. Grilled cheese sandwich. Let's take a little look at the inside. Cheesy. We now have a complete grilled cheese sandwich. Very crispy and delicious. Ready for eating. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.